harp seal pup. Born just a week ago. He has little fat. His thick fur is his only protection from the Arctic chill. In between doses, he waits for his mother to return. She has only one pup a year and will produce milk for only 12 days, one of the shortest nursing periods in nature. That is just long enough for him to develop a thick layer of blubber, thanks to his mother's milk, which is 50% fat. And his mother stays alongside while he learns an important survival skill for any seal: how to swim. He may not be keen to take the plunge. The salt water is -2 degrees Celsius after all. Pups start with a doggy paddle. Mum stays reassuringly close. Still developing his insulating blubber, a pup is at risk of hypothermia, so needs to rest and warm up. Each day he puts on another 2 kilos and practices swimming for just a little longer. 12 days gone by. A mother's work is done. She will never see her pup again. Harp seal pups are being tipped into freezing waters before they're ready to endure long periods at sea. In some pupping areas, almost none survive.